Just want to show you guys how I roll my egg roll. Let's roll some egg rolls. Egg rolls are made throughout the world. It's nostalgic and it's just so delicious. These two brands is my favorite because when you fry them, they just always, most of the time, are like golden brown. I have a mixture here. Leave the recipe down for here too, but if you want to learn how to make this, full-blown tutorial on this on my YouTube. And then right here, I already gently separated my egg roll wrappers, okay? Anything else that you don't use, just cover with the damp cloths because you don't want it to dry out. And you're gonna need a sealing agent once you roll this. I'm just doing an egg wash, like a cornstarch slurry, whatever you want as a sealing agent. So now let's get to rolling. Give this a whisk. I like to do a diamond shape right here. I'm just gonna spoon about like a tablespoon and a half here of the mixture. If you want, you can cook this first, just for food health wise. So now I take the end of the corner here, flop it over, and now you want to shape it. And now you have these two corners, the right and the left, okay? Pull the right one in and the left corner ring. Right here, pinch, tuck, and roll, okay? See that? Take your egg wash, dab it right here. You want this to close well, and just roll up. Okay, when you roll up, try to like grip a little bit gently so that way it's nice and tight, and then press too right here to spread the filling so you get like a nice egg roll. Ta-da! Everybody does it differently. If you have a better technique, let me know so I can try. So this is made throughout the world. Here as lumpia, lumpia Shanghai. Vietnamese is chả giò, but they use the rice paper to fry it with. Ta-da! There you have your egg roll. Golden brown sauce. I'm using like 1 to 2 tablespoons, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons, depending how thick, how wide you want your egg rolls. Lumpia Shanghai, there's chả giò, the Vietnamese one, they use the rice paper one. You guys have to try it, it's so good. Cà giò, I like to push my filling against the wrapper here to get it nice and tight. And right here, I form it, spread them out so it's nice and tight. You want when I flap in the right corner or the right wing, left wing corners. You just want to tuck, roll it upwards. Keep rolling upwards, nice and tight. Pinch, tuck, and roll. Pinch, tuck, and roll. Voila! This is crazy. There's so many trending videos on like egg rolls. People put like different stuff in it that sounds delicious. They put like hamburger filling in here, cheeseburger filling. They put jalapeno poppers, like jalapeno and cream cheese in here, crab wontons in here. It's all delicious, I bet, because anything in the egg roll wrapper is delicious. There you have it. Ta-da! Woo, crispy, they're flaky if you want. Everybody loves it so much. This and lumpia always runs out wherever I go. It is a crowd pleaser, a fan favorite. Definitely time consuming to make, but delicious.